going on, guys? JDAX bathtub guy, I guess. Seems like I'm doing a lot of bathtubs lately. Well, as you guys can see, the bathtub is backed up. We got the bathroom sink running. Well, it really pisses me off when these always get stripped. So we're gonna have to get a new cover for that, obviously. We're gonna be using the Milwaukee. Should be fairly close because it didn't back up when we flushed the toilet. Right here maybe. You guys can see it, you guys can hear it. We're gonna keep going. Let's see if we pull anything out. If you guys are liking this video and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button if you like the videos. We got a little fur ball. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been Jay That Train Guy signing out. Until next time, Trout now.